Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to make an international transfer to a Santander Mexico account. Follow these steps carefully to avoid delays or extra fees. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather the correct recipient details. Ask the payee for their full name, as on the account, the 18-digit CLABE, Mexico's standardized account number, the bank name Banco Santander Mexico, and the bank's SWIFT/BIC. For Santander Mexico, the common SWIFT used for international wires is BSCHMXMM, but always confirm the exact code with your recipient or their bank. Wise say. Step 2. Choose how you'll send the money. Use your bank's online international payments tool or visit a branch. You can also use a specialist service, Wise, Remitly, if you want lower fees or better exchange rates, but the receiving details required remain the same. Step 3. Enter the transfer details on your Windows PC. Beneficiary name, exact. CLABE, 18 digits, critical for peso account routing in Mexico. Beneficiary bank, Banco Santander Mexico. SWIFT/BIC, use the code your recipient provided, or the main code if confirmed. Currency, choose MXN, Mexican peso, where possible to avoid double conversion, or USD if the recipient requests it. Include a clear payment reference. Step 4. Check fees, intermediary banks, and timing. Some USD wires route through correspondent banks and may add intermediary fees or a delay. Review your bank's breakdown of fees and the estimated delivery time before confirming. Step 5. Confirm and track the transfer. Save the transaction reference, then ask the recipient to confirm receipt. If the transfer is delayed, contact your bank and provide the reference and SWIFT details so they can trace the payment. Quick watchouts. A wrong CLABE or SWIFT can cause returns or long delays. Double-check every digit. Test with a small amount first if you're sending a large sum. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.